Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. I'm Jan if you're new here. So as you can see, I have my very old crock pot. Gonna add some brown gravy. Gonna add about a half a cup of, this is already hot water. And it is hot because I already have the crock pot set to hot or too high. We're gonna whisk this in. Just a packet of ground gravy, just to give it a little more flavor. I'm not really trying to make gravy for this because I'm going to make sandwiches out of this roast. Okay. Gonna have some pepper. Salt. You don't have to put too much because that brown gravy packet is pretty salty. I would also normally put an onion in here, but I'm not going to do it. Onion powder. Again, because this is for sandwiches, not, just sitting down to eat a roast. And garlic powder. Not a lot. That's good. Forgot something. Worcestershire sauce. That's good. Mix this all in. I don't know about y'all, but I love roast sandwiches. Okay. I have a few little bitty baby brown potatoes just because I like them. And since I'm already cooking the roast, in they go. And then here is my roast. This is a rump roast, as you can see, that I put up on March 22nd. I cut it into 3 big chunks. I have it thawed out. And in she goes. I trimmed most of the fat off before I froze it, but you always want to leave some for flavor. Juice into the pot. And that's it. I don't have to do anything else. I'm going to put the lid on. We're going to let this cook for about 4 hours on high, maybe 5. It's a small chunk, so hopefully it will cook up in about 4 hours. And we're going to have some roast beef sandwiches. See y'all in a bit. As y'all can see, hopefully, our beautiful roast is done. Now, we're going to make us a sandwich. Debate which way to slice this. Guess we'll do just like that, since it's falling apart anyway. I guess it's just going to fall apart on me. Not upset with that either. That'll just be an extra piece for later. Okay. I think I told y'all that I'm obsessed with these Sam's Choice Sweet Hawaii sub rolls. They are amazing. I debated on whether I wanted to put mayonnaise on this because I almost put these in the oven with some garlic compound butter on, but I think we're going to do mayonnaise. I used to, when my mom would make roast the next day, is when I would make myself a roast sandwich. This time I just only want the roast sandwich. I'm not going to open this all the way. Got our mayonnaise. It actually might be a little bit too much mayonnaise, but that's all right. Doesn't feel right making a sandwich without condiments. So this is really hot, but I'm going to try to pick it up. Oh, yeah, it's hot. That one's a little too thick. Oh. Definitely want that piece. That's the end with a lot of the juice on it. Put that one there. We're just going to put it all. How about that? And if I'm lucky, that right there will be enough for me to have another sandwich tomorrow. Because I don't know about y'all, but for me, roast always tastes better the second day, as does spaghetti, chili, anything like that that has to mix together, dressing. Yeah. Here is our roast beef sandwich. I was debating on chips, and I think I decided I want barbecue. Okay, yeah. There's my roast left for tomorrow. And I put about 3 or 4 spoons of the gravy on there so it won't dry out. So it will be fantastic when I warm it up tomorrow. I'm telling y'all, that will be the better sandwich. And then here's our sandwich for now. I debated adding anything to it, but I don't think it needs anything. Oh, love roast beef sandwiches. I could probably eat these once a week, and I would never get tired of them. But it has to be a cooked roast. I don't want the sliced stuff, you know, from the grocery store. Because this is amazing. Forgive me, but to show you something else you can do. That's the gravy out of the pot. Oh yes. Y'all, make you a roast. I think I told y'all before that, please forgive my sniffling, I just cannot shake this little cold, I think it's just sinus. But I think I told y'all before that I've spoken to a lot of people who think roasts are hard to make. To me, they're the most simple thing to make, because all you gotta do is throw it in the crock pot. It's very easy. Just don't go overboard, you know, with the salt. You can add that brown gravy packet. It just gives extra flavor, which never hurts. It essentially has the same seasonings in it that I add to my roast regardless. But the bigger thing is You can cook a roast in about 4 hours, but it will be so tough. You gotta give it that 5th hour for it to tender up, and then it will fall apart. And that's if you do it on high. You can also do it 8 to 9 hours on low. Same result. Oh, mama. Y'all, make you a roast. Make you a sandwich, even if it's the next day. Like I said, it'll be better tomorrow. And get you some of these buns. I would normally just eat it on regular white bread, but these buns are so soft, and they're delicious. And so I truly appreciate y'all being here, and I will see you very soon.